Whenever the world needs science, who do we turn to? Science Monkey.
Good morning, Science Monkey! Science Monkey, you're in a very happy and jolly mood today, aren't you? Sit still, Science Monkey. The girls and boys want to talk to you. That's better. Science Monkey, I know you're excited because you love science and it's science time. This week, the girls and boys have been learning about waterproof and absorbent materials. Now, I know you're a science professor, and I know you know lots about that, don't you, Science Monkey? I won't ask you the question because you already know, but I will tell the boys and girls at school. Science Monkey, some materials are waterproof. Can you say waterproof? Waterproof. That's right. Some materials don't allow water inside of them. That's because they don't have little holes. If you put them under a microscope, you wouldn't see any little holes. They're non-porous materials. Non-porous materials. Good girl, Science Monkey. However, other materials, Science Monkey, they suck up water. That's right. They're called absorbent materials. Absorbent materials. If you put them under a microscope, you'd see lots of tiny little holes called pores. They're porous materials. Porous materials. Clever girl, Science Monkey. Science Monkey, would you like to go around the house to show the girls and boys some waterproof and absorbent materials? Oh, Off you go then, Science Monkey. So off she flew around the house to find some waterproof and absorbent materials. Where have you flown to, Science Monkey? Oh, you're having a bath, are you? You're going to have a bath. Oh, that's a clean Science Monkey. Science Monkey, why have you got your toy fire truck in the bath? Oh, is it because your toy fire truck is waterproof? It repels the water. It won't get wet. The water will just splash off it. It's made of plastic. And plastic is waterproof. Clever Science Monkey. Have a great bath, Science Monkey. You'll be nice and clean for the girls and boys. Science Monkey, have you found your umbrella? Oh yes, umbrellas, they have to be made of a waterproof material, don't they? They won't get to you, the water won't get to you, will it, Science Monkey? Because umbrellas are waterproof. Are you getting wet there, Science Monkey? No, you're not. Of course not. You're underneath a waterproof material. Clever Science Monkey. Science Monkey, are you having a drink of red cordial? Be careful not to spill it, Science Monkey. Oh no, Science Monkey. Uh-oh. How are you going to clean that up, Science Monkey? Oh, it's lucky you've got your sponge, which is very absorbent. You can clean up your red cordial spill. Suck it up. The sponge is very porous, isn't it, Science Monkey? Keep cleaning it up, Science Monkey. Mum and Dad won't be happy if they see you spill this red cordial everywhere. Almost got it. It's very porous. Look, it's sucked up all the red cordial. Science Monkey, are you being a very helpful and kind Science Monkey? By helping Mum and Dad hose the bricks, the pavers outside. Oh, you're a helpful science monkey, aren't you? Notice how the water just bounces off the bricks. That's because the bricks are waterproof. Oh, no, science monkey, I know what you're thinking. Do not hose Mum's towel. She's got it out there to dry. Science monkey, don't do it. Don't do it, science monkey. It's not waterproof, it's absorbent. Oh no, science monkey. Naughty girl. Oh no, science monkey. It's too cold for a swim and your fur and your cape are absorbent. You're not waterproof, science monkey. Oh no, science monkey, you've absorbed so much water. Sometimes you're a silly science monkey, aren't you? I hope this towel absorbs all the water on your fur, science monkey. Okay, science monkey, now you're ready to conduct your travelling waters experiment. You've got everything set up. You have your highly absorbent paper towel, and you've got your cups with water and your food colouring. Alright, drop your food colouring in. Blue, green, and yellow. Now put your highly absorbent paper towel in. In that one. In that one. And the final one in that one. Pop them all down. Now watch what happens, science monkey. Wow, look how absorbent the paper towel is, science monkey. It's getting sucked up out of these cups. That's about all the time we have in today's episode. For more science adventures with Science Monkey, stay tuned.